Hey everyone, or should I say hi everyone.
Hi.
On this episode of Bing Bong Time,
We're going to be reviewing Houston's Hot Chicken, but first...
we Bing Bong.
Bing?
Bong. You excited?
Yeah, it's going to be good.
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1. Gotta have a Dr. Pepper with some fried chicken.
I got vanilla Coke. We're trying to get off the soda though, so we got a big ass water too.
This is rare, we haven't had soda in a minute, but anyway. You know, everybody always gets the munchies after they Bing Bong.
Let me go
So,
get us napkins.
yeah, we need napkins.
Munchies.
So, we're gonna see how this does with our munchies, you know. And we'll try it out and, you know, let you guys know how it is on the stoner scale.
And what'd you get to eat?
I got the chicken cheese sandwich.
Sounds good.
Cheesy chicken sandwich?
Yeah, I think it was the cheesy chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
It sounds great though. She got no pickles though.
No pickles.
She don't eat pickles.
Don't like pickles. I like cucumbers though.
Right?
Right? Oh wait, I didn't have lemon. Yay. Think more. Their fries are always the best. They're so crinkly, so crispy. And their sauce, it's almost like a chicken sauce itself.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it?
And the right amount of seasoning on the fry.
Yes. Great point.
Nice and crunchy.
Alright, I'm gonna take a bite of mine first. Ready?
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
What stands out to you? What do you like most about it? She also got honey butter chicken on it instead of just like regular.
The honey butter, you can definitely taste the sweetness versus the salty in foods is something I really like. So that's fucking lit. And then, thank you, baby. And then, I don't know. I'm really obsessed with the salty and sweet. That's great. I love a good chicken sandwich, and that is a good chicken sandwich. Also, the chicken was just crunchy enough, and it's not super like thick fillet. Because I hate a thick fillet when it's like in a sandwich or something that's like too much. You know, it's like ugh, it's too much. But this is really good.
You said thick fillet.
Thick
I
fillet.
thought you were saying Chick-fil-A, but thick fillet.
Thick fillet.
No, yeah, that's like, yeah, I can see where you're saying how the fillet is like the right size. It's not it's not like too hard to bite into. But speaking of size, look at this chicken tender.
You get what you pay for.
Yeah. With the sauce.
Just let it cook. Let it cook. Put some sauce on it.
Too funny.
Is that the normal ones? Wait, did you get a normal spice or no spice?
No, I got a honey butter chicken tender with 2 mild chicken tenders. And their mild sauce is pretty hot actually.
I always forget when you open sodas that you have to let them chill, especially if you've walked around with them or something, because this almost like fizzed all over my face.
Same.
Fizzed.
We actually on your face. But we are actually inspired to try this place because Keith Lee reviewed it.
when he first reviewed it, and we came to Vegas shortly after he had reviewed them, and that's when we tried them for the first time, and then of course we're reviewing it too in his honor.
Yeah, he's awesome. This is the mild tender. You know, still a big ass tender. We're gonna.
Oh boy, she thick, boy.
Look. This is cheese sauce.
Mm.
This is a sauce that went on her sandwich. You can get it for your fries, but I think I'm gonna try it on this tender.
Me looking to see if the sauce is on my sandwich. I think it is though. There's a lot of flavor going on, so. Also, this is pretty spicy for me. Like, I mean, not like your mouth's on fire, but definitely like you have like mild salsa or medium salsa level kick, but it's not like, I like that kind of kick. But that's the max amount of kick that I can do before it starts like I'm in pain and I'm not enjoying myself eating.
Well, that's good. That's good that it's like at the right level and you can actually enjoy it instead of worrying about having to cool your mouth off. That's good. That's about what these are for me. I mean, I've gotten the next step up, and it was like what you were talking about, where it's just not enjoyable.
Yeah, I remember you sweating.
Mm-hmm.
He was like, I can't finish it. I was like, don't, baby, don't.
The fries are so damn good, though. And that bud we ripped is a really nice food.
Yeah.
Oh, cheese sauce on the hand.
Yeah, it's almost like, you know how there's different attributes to the wheat that we smoke. So this one feels like a focus, and it's letting me like hone in on my feeling and like what is helping me describe the taste of the food right now.
I don't even remember the name of the bud, do you?
I don't know which one you ground up. I didn't even look.
It was the last bag of what we had.
Oh. No, I don't remember what it was. Because we smoked the Cheech and Chong, but
Hey, coca bean.
we're all eating, Bean. We're all eating.
We're all eating.
The dog's over here eating too. I try to make sure they eat when we eat because that way they're not begging for us food.
But yeah, the fries with the sauce, I'd say are easily probably 10 out of 10 fries for most people. That was a solid. That was a solid 9.5 out of 10.
You think so?
Yeah, she definitely has better burps, so that's the only reason that one's not a 10.
Oh, poor Bean. Gotta refill their water. We'll do that real quick. Come here, Bean. Not many double digits.
Yeah, and then he's sniping Goka's food.
I topped off their water though. That weed is upstairs though if you want to go grab it. You want me to go grab it and see what because that package is still upstairs, I think.
Yeah, sure. That'd be cool. Thank you. What you doing, Coca Bean? We got some good wins in Fortnite last night. That was fun. We'll also be streaming on Twitch, everybody. Make sure to check us out. Lena Barney is her account on Twitch, and mine is Jurassic Daddy 500, all one word.
Oh, it was the Bubba Fett by Bond.
Oh, Bubba Fett.
Yeah. Yeah, all you Star Wars fans out there, it's literally called Bubba Fett, like your cousin Bubba. Bubba Fett. No, thing, go down there, Bubba Fett, and get you blasted, man.
I'm talking about I'm the redneck assassin. I'm Bubba Fett. I got my inspiration from one of those space movies, and there's a guy named Boba Fett, and I'm like, well, I get called Bubba all the time.
Oh my god.
And
I get called Bubba all the time, and I get this fatty.
Just on my pizza, though. We talking about that feta cheese, right?
Doesn't fatty mean money?
I don't know. I think so. Might be.
I think it's what fatty means, but that's different from fat, obviously.
Mm.
Next thing we need to invest in is those mics
Mm-hmm.
for us. Because that way we can start podcasts with the audio too.
Yeah, that's gonna be awesome.
Y'all get all the ASMR of us eating too when we have the mics. Wait, I got to. Yeah, I definitely will get this sandwich again.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I keep forgetting how big these tenders are. So next time we do go, I will get just a 2 tender piece.
That's why I didn't do them this time. Fair warning, everybody.
The tenders are huge.
Obviously, as you can tell, you eat a lot with the tenders. So if you can't eat that much,
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna eat this later.
yeah, reheat it. Or if you want something that's not such a thick piece of cut of meat, like me, definitely try the filet on the chicken sandwich. Definitely more manageable. The last piece of the honey butter bread.
You know how a lot of chicken restaurants have their orange sauce? Like Zaxby's orange sauce, Cane's orange sauce.
Yeah.
You know, and this is also an orange sauce, but it's
Oh, orange.
it don't taste like any of the other sauces. Like Cane's and Zaxby's kind of does taste similar, like just a little bit,
Yeah.
but this doesn't taste like either one of those.
I know what this tastes like a little bit. It tastes more like when I used to add Zaxby sauce with more ketchup and then add a little bit of hot sauce on top of that in the fucking sauce, and that's what you have.
I ain't never tried that before. That sounds good. That
Yeah.
does sound good. You mixing the sauces.
Salsa.
Mm.
Salsa. Salsing it up. Saucy.
Miss Saucy. Instead of Miss Tasty, Miss Saucy.
Tasty.
New baby's playing.
I ate it.
Well, I'm gonna put the rest of mine in the fridge.
Oh, Minnie.
She ate her sandwich.
I did.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in.
Thank
and
you.
hanging out with us and watching us eat. But yeah, definitely if you're in Vegas, Houston's Hot Chicken, check them out. See ya.